In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop configuration progress problem in Microsoft Office. If you're using Microsoft Word on Windows and you keep seeing a message that says, "Please wait while Windows configures Microsoft Office," the configuration process may appear stuck or take much longer than expected. This is a common problem that can happen after an update or when Office has been reinstalled. Fortunately, there are a few things you can try to resolve the issue and get back to working normally. The first and easiest solution is to restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary problems related to an Office update or configuration process. Close your open applications, restart your computer, and wait for Windows to fully load. After restarting, open Microsoft Word and check whether the configuration progress message still appears. If the problem is gone, you can continue using Word normally. If it still appears, move on to the next solution. Next, check whether there are any pending updates for Microsoft Office. Microsoft regularly releases updates that can fix bugs and improve the performance and reliability of Office applications. To check for updates, open Microsoft Word and click the File tab. Then select Account. Under Product Information, look for Update Options. Click Update Options, and from the drop-down menu, select Update Now. Office will check for available updates and apply any updates that are available. Once the process is complete, open Word again and check whether the configuration problem has been resolved. If updating Office doesn't fix the issue, the next option is to repair Microsoft Office. A repair can help correct problems with Office without affecting your documents or personal settings. To start the repair, open the Control panel on your computer. Then click Apps and Features. Find Microsoft Office in the list of installed programs and select it. Next, click Modify. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, click Yes. A small Office repair window will appear. You'll see two repair options: Quick Repair and Online Repair. Start with Quick Repair because it is faster and does not require an internet connection. If Quick Repair doesn't resolve the configuration problem, you can try Online Repair. This option performs a more thorough repair and may take longer to complete. After the repair is finished, open Microsoft Word and check whether the configuration progress message still appears. By restarting your computer, checking for Office updates, and repairing Microsoft Office when necessary, you should be able to resolve this configuration problem and get back to working normally. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,